This Instagram account has grown to over 900,000 followers by creating super simple motivational videos made using AI. In fact, they're not the only page. Several Instagram and YouTube short theme pages like this one, and this one have gained millions of views and thousands of followers by creating and consistently publishing simple videos like this.
You may be powerful today, but time is more powerful than you.
And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create videos like this using one single AI tool. So hit subscribe and let's get started. Now, before we get into creating the video, we need to understand what is it that these accounts do differently that make them go viral. The first thing you'll notice is that they have a consistency across their visual design. This account, for instance, creates dark themed videos. They use black and white clips of animals, a motivational soundtrack, and an AI voiceover. This account, on the other hand, just uses calm, serene background videos with a lot of text on top. So the first thing you need to figure out is your visual aesthetic or your visual design. I am going to go ahead with dark themed posts because they tend to be doing really well right now, and I want to mirror that approach. And with that, let's get down to creating our video. The first thing we need to do is get our motivational quotes because these are going to act as the script for our videos, like in this account. Now, I know what you're thinking, that we're going to go ahead and use ChatGPT for these quotes, but no. Everything that we're creating today is going to be done using this single AI tool, Simplified AI. To get started, I'm going to go ahead and log into my account on simplified.com, and it by default opens on the AI writer. If not, you can use this checkered icon right on top to open the AI writer tool. Now here you can see the prompt box right on top of the screen where we can basically give the AI prompts for what we want it to write. Now, since we don't really want anything else in the scripts besides the quotes, I am actually going to prompt the AI to come up with one-line motivational quotes that remind us to be strong and resilient. Now, for your particular page, you can keep doing one major niche throughout, or you can do a batch of like multiple different themes across your page. Like you can have 10 motivational quotes and 10 love quotes and 10 animal related motivational quotes and things like that, right? Once I hit generate, the AI just takes a couple of minutes and it has come up with 10 quotes. And these actually look great. So now I'm just going to open them in the AI editor and keep them in a separate tab, and then we're going to start creating our video. Now, once again, I'm going to click on the checkered box on top and select the video workflow. And here in the top line itself, you have the new video option, right? This opens up a window where we'll select our format. I am going to go with YouTube Shorts and then click on Create Project to open the editor. Here in the center, you have the blank canvas, and on the left, you have the entire assets library to choose your assets from. The first thing we're going to do is copy the text for the first motivational quote from our doc, and then we'll come back to the video editor, and here we'll choose the media tab on the left. And within this, on the top right, you will see the audio option. Here we have the option to turn text to speech. Click on this and then paste your quote here in the text box that appears. Simply select your language, your narrator voice from the drop down. We're going to go ahead with US English and Joey as the voice. Then simply click on generate icon at the bottom of the screen, and the AI will generate the voiceover for you. Now, once you're satisfied with the voiceover, click on this option on the top of the text box that says add to artboard, and your motivational voiceover will simply be added to the timeline. For the next step, we need to add B-roll footage to the video to match the voiceover. So once again, we'll go to the media tab on the left and then click on the video option, and here use the search bar to search for relevant clips. We are sticking with the animal theme, and I want our videos to have wolves because they're strong and majestic. And remember that with quotes like this, you don't need an exact match of what is being said in the video. You want images and video clips that metaphorically represent the emotion that you're trying to convey. So let's go ahead and search for wolves. I like this clip, so I'm going to click on it, and this opens the trimmer. From here, I'm just going to drag the endpoints on the player and select a 5-second portion of the clip, and then click on add to add it to the canvas. Here, I will just drag around the endpoints to make sure that it fits the frame. Now you can see that this clip fits the entire voiceover, but I want to use 2 clips instead of just 1 so that there's a little bit more dynamic action going on in the video. So I'll click on the plus icon next to the wolf video on the timeline to add a scene. And here I will just add another clip in a similar way like I added the first one. Once it's added, I am just going to go ahead and adjust the duration of both the scenes on the timeline timeline to ensure that they both fit the duration of the voiceover. Now, after this, we just want to adjust the look of the clips according to our dark theme. So for this, I'm going to select the clip on the canvas, and then this opens up the adjustment window on the left. Here we will select the effects and scroll down to the bottom to adjust the brightness and the saturation. Take saturation all the way down to 0, and that makes our image black and white. Then decrease the brightness slightly and increase the contrast slightly. So that is kind of the look that I am going for. Now, once you have the desired look, do the same with the second video, obviously, because we can't have one black and white and one RGB video. It doesn't look nice. And with that, our video is done. Now, all you need to do is add classy subtitles. We're not going to go ahead and add music because we are going to use the Instagram music library or the YouTube Shorts music library to add those, because that helps us boost our reach on our videos. Now for the subtitles, because I want to auto generate these, we are first going to go ahead and export our video. So for this, go to the top right corner and download the video. Once it's downloaded, we are going to go back to our main dashboard on Simplified, and we are going to go ahead and select the generate subtitles option in the video tab. Here I'm going to select the portrait orientation and the style of the subtitles that I want. I want to go for a minimalistic one, so this looks kind of nice. And in the next window that opens up, I'm just going to upload the exported video. The AI will take a couple of seconds and then generate the subtitles for us. Now, once the editor opens up, we can make adjustments to the text style to make sure that it fits the theme that we have for our video, right? So I will make all of the text white because that I think looks a lot better. I will reposition it, and I am going to remove any background that it may have. I'm also going to change the font to have a more classy, minimalistic look. And with that, we're done.
Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will.
You can just go ahead and link any social media platform you want directly to Simplified so that you can directly publish it from the editor. If not, you are just going to go ahead and download this video and then upload it to the platform of your choice. But please keep in mind that if you're on the free plan, your video is going to have a watermark and the maximum resolution for download is 720p. But if you're really serious about creating and growing your own theme page on Instagram or on YouTube, I would highly recommend that you get on their paid plan, which starts at $19 a month. And that way you have full control over all of your videos. So make sure you create and publish such content regularly and check out these videos next to Ace It on YouTube.